guys, welcome to Keeping It Simple Crafts. Today I am sharing with you my Christmas shopping haul. I had several people said they would like to see it, so I'm going to show you what I got from Walmart, Dollar General, Dollar Tree, and Hobby Lobby. So several stores today. So first I'm going to start out with Walmart. Okay, and I got this cute gnome. Gnomes are very popular this year, very popular for Christmas. And so this one right here was $12.98. And they had a few different design hats and bodies to choose from. So the bigger one's $12.98, and then this smaller one is only $9.98. And so they're made really cute and kind of squishy. So I got two of those. And as you can see, I'm going with the red, gray, and white and silver theme this Christmas. And so I also picked up some matching ornaments to go with them, and they were $2.98 each. And then I picked up some of these picks, and I don't see the price on them, but I believe they were $1.48 each. So I thought these would be pretty in wreaths, in garland, so lots of options here in the Christmas tree. So they kind of want to stick together, but I believe they were $1.48 each. And then if you're wanting to get some deco mesh for Christmas, now is the time to go. This was the last two of the 10-inch, and they didn't have any of the 21-inch deco mesh in the black and white buffalo plaid check left. They did have some in the red and black buffalo plaid check left. And then also I picked up this red and white checked one, and I believe these are, I want to say $7.98, $6.98, $7.98, something like that for the 10-inch, and I believe the 21-inch are the same price. So if you're wanting some Christmas deco mesh, I would hurry to Walmart. Okay, and one of my favorites is this sign. Merry Christmas to all, and to all a good night. And this was less than $5. I believe it was $4.98, and they had a lot of different colors and sayings. So this is one of my favorite Walmart finds. So give me just a second and we'll set up our display for the next store. Okay, the second store is Dollar General. So they have these cute signs for $3 each at Dollar General. So I picked up the Merry Christmas and the Naughty or Nice, and they are $3 each. Okay, then this is one of my favorites right here, the little red truck Christmas ornament, and it was $2, and it lights up. Isn't that not cute? So very lightweight, so it will be cute on a wreath or on the Christmas tree. And that was only $2. Okay, and then I also picked up for $1 each some of the little red truck Christmas ornaments. And so I thought they were really cute too, and they'll be perfect on the tree or on a wreath also. Okay, and then they have these tin signs, metal signs, and they're only $1 each, and they have several of them different sayings on them, but I just chose the one that says Christmas Court. I just thought it said Christmas, but I thought these were really cute. Okay, my daughter, she picked out these cute pom-pom garland. They had these, I believe, in red also, and it just says pom-pom garland, $1 each. So she thought she might use these on her little miniature Christmas tree that she puts in her bedroom. So we got a couple of the pom-poms, and then I picked up some of the red truck ribbon for $2, and it is the 2.5-inch, and it is 9 feet long, and it does have wire. And I also picked up the solid red too, and this is kind of a burlap material, and they're $2 for each roll. And then since I am going with the red, silver, and black and white and gray theme, I picked up this box of ribbon at Dollar General also. So it looks like the silver is kind of sheer, so I thought it would be pretty. And then I like the black and white buffalo plaid check, and it looks like it's more of a fabric material. And then this one's with the snowman is kind of shiny, so I just went ahead. There's only 6 in a box, and they're $2 each, so I just went ahead and got all of them. But I think the only sets of ribbon that Dollar General has this year is the snowman set theme and the little red truck theme. but I'm not 100% certain. That's all I've seen in my store. Okay guys, and then next item is this tree topper. Let me see how much it is. It is $5, and they had 2 colors in this one. And so it's a pretty nice size. I mean, it'll look good on like a 6.5, 7 foot tree. So I don't know if I'm going to use it as a tree topper or do something else with it or not. So we'll see. So that was $5. Okay, and then last from Dollar General are these cute little snowman Christmas ornaments. They are $3 each, but guess what? They light up. Aren't they cute? So there's 4 different designs. So I got one of each design. Let me see if this one will come on. Okay, so that's it for Dollar General. So we'll share, let's see, what store next? Dollar Tree? Okay, so Dollar Tree's up next. Okay, and next is Dollar Tree, and I picked up these large Christmas ornaments, and they had them in silver, gold, and red, I believe. So I picked up one of each color, and of course they're only $1 at Dollar Tree, and they're plastic. Okay, and then I got 2 of the little snowman hat Christmas ornaments. They had these last year, and I thought they were so cute, so I bought a couple more for this year. And then I also got the Jingle Bell Christmas ornament, and they had these in a couple of colors too. And then they have these in the white and then the iridescent, the snowflakes, and they have them in 2 sizes. So this is the 6-piece. So you can use these on wreaths or Christmas trees, lots of options. And I also picked up these shatterproof ornaments at Dollar Tree. This is, I wanted another one, but I could only find the 2, so I got both of these. And then these are made of felt. They're the snowman ornaments, and they're made of felt. They also had a little stocking and Christmas tree. And there's several in this package, 12-piece it says. And then here's another snowman, and it just sits up. And I think they had a Santa too, but they're metal. Okay, and then this one is similar to the ornaments that we did the Mod Podge on. I could not find the ornament shape, but all we've been able to find is the snowflakes, so I picked up a couple of these, and they are wooden. And then I also picked up this one that says Merry and Bright, so I think I'll paint this one. And they had some other sayings too, but I just chose the Merry and Bright, and they're very lightweight. And then I picked up some of these LED lights. I've used these before. I don't know if you can see in the box, but they're very pretty. So I picked up 2 packages of these. And then they now have their scarves in, so I picked up this one and 2 others. And right now they still have Halloween out, fall, and they don't have everything Christmas out, so I'm still hoping to find a few signs and things. Oh, almost forgot. And then I also got this little miniature Christmas tree, and they have it in green also. So I still have a few things I'm hoping to find at Dollar Tree, but that's all that I bought at Dollar Tree. So I have a few things from Hobby Lobby I want to show you, and then that will be it. And this greenery swag is from Hobby Lobby, and it was $19.99 original price, but they had it on sale for 40% off last week, so I believe it rang out $11.99. So I picked up 2 of these, and they usually go fast. Let me show you the back too. So there's lots of things you can do with this. So if you can, pick you up a couple of these. I got 2 because I have double front doors, so I will be making something very soon for my front doors for Christmas with those. And then this is just one of the Christmas picks from Hobby Lobby, and these are not in the Christmas section. They are where the floral picks are in the store, and these are just really fun. I want to say they're like $6.99, but I'm not 100% certain, but just make sure and try to catch them on sale or use your coupon. And then I love this sign, Jesus is the reason for the season. And I got it on sale. It was $7.99 original, but it was on sale for 40% off. So I think this is my favorite because Jesus is the reason for the season. So thank you so much, guys, for watching. I hope you enjoyed my Christmas shopping haul. If you have not subscribed to my channel, I would love to have you as a subscriber. And just thank you, all of you that comment and watch. I really appreciate y'all, and I hope you have a wonderful day.